Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing you guys how to make this easy hairstyle. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Step 1, I'm going to be taking a partition on my left. The messier you do it, the softer it looks, so it doesn't have to be super neat. Now I'm dividing this section from the top to the back of my ears. Now from the end of my eyebrows, I'm going to be dividing that section into two different parts, and I'm leaving the lower one below, and I'm only going to be concentrating on the top part. Now again, I'm going to be dividing the hair section into two different pieces. Now to do it, you're going to be holding your hair diagonally and then dividing it into two equal parts. And we are going to be twisting it away from the face. So the direction of twist is supposed to be away from the face. So after you're done twisting, you have to pull the twists to make it a bit loose, and that way it looks much more messier. So as you can see, there are a lot of hair strands coming out because I have layered cut. If you have layered cut, then definitely you will also face this. But in the end, it is gonna look all good because the messier it is, the pretty it looks. I'm gonna be clipping this away and do the next side. And before you ask, I have done feather layered cut, and I have also styled my hair. I have done straightening. I will link a video on how I did my styling in the description box below. Please check it out or click on the iCard on top. So I'm doing the same as we did on the other side, but for this side I'm going to be leaving all the bangs in the front. If you don't have bangs, then it's completely fine. Since I have it, I'm doing it. Now we are going to be repeating the exact same thing what we did on the other side. This style is gonna be messy, so it's okay if you find a few strands poking out. And once when you're done with pulling all the twist, take both the strands from the sides and then using a rubber band tie it in the back. You can leave it like this, or you can also take a step more to decorate the twist a little bit. Take some small flowers, beads, or even stones, put it on the twists, and it will look super gorgeous. And that's it. This is how the hairstyle looked in the end. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Don't forget to share your comments with me, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.